another beautiful day, 18 degrees in New York. Heading to the shop. I'm gonna work on a roll cage in my RX-7 for a little bit. I'm actually gonna put out a different video that's gonna be more of like a start to finish, kind of like a how-to video. If anybody cares or gets a cage kits cage for their FC and they want to know like the step-by-step way. But regardless, I'm going to work on that for a little bit today. Hope you enjoy.
Today I came in, I finished prepping the firewall, and I got this thing in the booth and masked up for epoxy. After mixing the epoxy, put it on about 1.5 coats really, let it dry, and then apply the 2-part epoxy seam sealer to some of the body seams and welded areas. This enhances the corrosion protection, make sure the thing isn't going to leak like crazy, and will last as long as we make it. And now I'm going to put on 2 to 3 coats of street rod flat black. The interior is done.
So while the main hoop's out of the car, I'm gonna weld all of this stuff up. That way, I'm not gonna be jammed in the car trying to weld all of this stuff upside down. I can just do it on the bench. It's gonna be a million times easier, and then obviously there's gonna be minimal stuff that has to be welded in the car, but I'm gonna try to do as much of it as I can out here.
Building it from scratch is a lot of fun. It's really like welding.
So why do the flex pipes have to go in like that?
They have to angle a little bit. I'm mainly just keeping it symmetrical because that side, it's impossible for it to go straight back because the exhaust is too big. So it has
too long.
The diameter is too big, so it won't fit over this cross member. So it has to come in and then over. So they're not just in; they're actually in and up. So to get it up over this. and then it actually lines up perfect because these mufflers are centered in, and the pipes are kind of offset, so it actually works out for clearance and for flow. And then that's the fun part back there.
Trying to figure out how to.
Yeah, it's gonna come up and over, and then up and down and behind the tires.
Cool.